Hello guys, welcome back to Free Spirit Tarot, Triple V Tarot. I'm Frishale, psychic reader. I read according to my intuition and energies. Before starting this video, I want to thank all my supporters and subscribers who are making this channel grow. Let's do a general collective reading for sign of Aries, Sun, Moon, Rising, Venus. This reading is about karma of your ex for hurting you, who is not in contact with you now, and let's take a deeper look at their current feelings about you and their karma. It's a general reading. It may or may not resonate. If it doesn't resonate, it's not your story and the messages are not for you. So do like, share, and subscribe. And I have already shuffled the cards. Let's get started. So, how did they play you? Strength, family room, and Seven of Wands. I think this person just whenever they were with you, I think this is a family scenario here. You had a stable family with them. This is a family room which is empty. Yeah. So you had a family with this person. It may not resonate with everybody. I think this all these cards are indicating to me that this is a commitment or a marriage, long term commitment thing. So here, whenever they were with you, they always hold it back. They were always defensive towards you. So they didn't open up or what was going on. Or I'm getting a energy that they always hold it back what were their true intentions towards you or what were their true emotions towards you. They were always defensive with you. And they never gave you time, energy because this family room is empty. You can see that only pics are there. So this family room was empty. You always waited. They made you wait a lot. Yeah, this is what I'm getting here. So how they feel about playing with you? So whatever they did, how do they feel about that? Six of Wands, official person. Yeah, Temperance. So they think that you were official person and you were just Six of Wands is like in public eye, in everybody's eye. You both were officially married, but you never had anything in balance. Your emotions towards each other was never in balance. So they think that you were only, if you were a woman, then you were a trophy wife. Like official person is a trophy wife. Like just for show off. This wife is only for show off. There is no love, nothing. So they just wanted this balance in their life. So they had you. That is what they think. I think. So now, what's going on in their life now? What's going on in their life? King of coins, high honor, and justice. I think this person was very, your other part was financially stable, or he is financially stable. He is honored in society. But here, justice card in karma reading is like this person, everybody is looking at him like earlier they used to look at him with a very high honor. But now their true colors have come out in front of everybody, how they are unequal, what they think, and the truth about this sword is showing me that this prideful person's true colors in society is coming out. That is what is happening with this justice card. Whatever imbalance was there, whatever he was hiding behind the dark, has come out now. I think this is a Okay, so they are getting exposed. Yeah, I was not getting that word. So they are getting exposed now. So if they had a third party, because I can see here number is 3, family room 2 plus 1 is 3. So if they had a third party which you know, or that person can be family, friends, their work. But here I can sense that this was a third party means a other person, other lady. If you are a lady, this was the other lady. If you are a man, this is the other man they were dealing with. So Queen of Wand is typical third party card. Emperor and message of concern. So the truth about this third party was that they were very controlling to them, or they are very controlling to them. And this message, when you got this message about this third party, you were like, 4 plus 1 is 5, so you wanted change. So truth about this third party is that your person can see that this third person is a control freak totally, and now they are very much concerned when you know that there is a third party. So what's going on in their life now? Yeah, again 3. See, marriage. I told you there was a commitment here. I think, yeah, 8 of swords and 4 of pentacle. I think this is a divorce scenario actually, because this marriage, they are in their head regarding this marriage because they don't want to lose their money. That is what they are thinking. They are stressed out about their money department. They are having a powerful realization that they are going to lose love of their life, so they are concerned. Moreover, they are concerned about their money. Okay, what is next? So after this, how they feel about you now? They feel that the hermit, ace of swords, and the pathway. So here I can feel that, how they feel about you now. They think that you know the truth and you don't want to deal with them. You are in hermit mode and you are happy in your own light, and they think that you will start new again and you will have a beautiful pathway also. That is what they are thinking. Ace of sword, whenever ace is there, there's a new, anything new. So after knowing the truth about this third party, you have just blocked them. I can feel that you have blocked them, and you're just looking to move forward in your life. How can you make your life easy? That is what they feel about you now. And how you feel about them now? Queen of Cups, Queen of Coins, and Judication. If you are dealing with divorce or anything regarding legal, you think that this love for that person, your partner, is waste of time. You need to focus on your stability and your money. See, here I can see that just under King of Coins, I've got this Queen of Coins. So you were husband wife for sure. Yeah, this is a long term commitment, and this is a divorce scenario going on here. So Aries, I think you are just thinking logically now, and you don't want to think about it in emotional manner. Okay, so what's their karma? Their karma is Six of Pentacle, Magician, and Distance Horizon. So here I can feel that their karma is they have to pay you whatever you deserve. See, again justice card. Just I have never seen this. What to say? Pendulum, na? What to say that? Justice. This thing. So they have to give you whatever belongs to you. They cannot hold on. Here they are just trying to think how can they save their money and just sneak off. See, under that deck is Seven of Swords. So they are thinking to cheat you in money department in divorce. That is what I can see now. But their karma is that they have to give you whatever is yours. They cannot run away with that. Moreover, whoever they have chosen over you, is a master manipulator. In distance horizon, they will come to know, because here again three of wands under that deck is emperor. So this is a very control freak person. If you are a woman, this man is going to suffer a lot, and if you are a woman, this man is going to suffer a lot, because they are going to go with a master manipulator, and they will regret their decision. It will happen, but it will happen in, it is like 6 plus 3 distance horizon, it is like 9 months from now. Yeah, 9 months, 9 weeks, it can be 9 years, who knows. So this is what I can see here. Aries, let's see what are messages that they want to give it to you. Like if you are not in contact with them, and if you are going through legal proceedings, and what message they want to tell you, what they want to share, what is their concern. So they want to tell you that I'm letting go of all bad habits like smoking and drinking. I always had nice time with you, felt like kid again. Okay. So they want to say that they always had a good time with you. I think you had a problem with their smoking and drinking, and you always tried to stop them from doing this. So they are telling you that they are quitting these bad habits for you. Everything I see reminds me of you. Your aura follows me. So they can feel your energy. They can feel your energy. My spirits are telling me to stop now. I'm not same person, you know. I am a changed man now. So they are telling you that they are a changed person, and they are just smoking. They have quit smoking and drinking. They are thinking about you whenever you had good times with them, and they can feel your energy. So they can feel your energy. So let's see what is guidance from universe to my subscriber, a person who is watching my video. What is advice for them? Oh baby, give me 3 cards. See, impasse, perfect. See, it is like perfect, reflect and redirect your energy. So spirits are telling you that just reflect and redirect your energy. If you are getting emotionally disturbed, and if you are in stress, your spirit guides are telling you to redirect your energy. Passion and pleasure, savior of your life. Like they are telling you to have little bit of passion and try to enjoy your life wherever you are right now. And what else? Dekho. Okay, wondrous universe, walk in beauty. So your guides are trying to tell you that you can manifest anything you want to. You can walk in your beauty, you can follow your passion. Just let this person go. That is what it is trying to tell you. Beginning of new cycle. See, first light. So guides are telling you that you will have a new cycle somewhere else. So don't lose hope. Keep your passion up and believe in God, and reflect whatever decisions you have taken are okay. You're just going through it. That is what I can get from this reading. So Aries, I hope this video has resonated with you. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe my channel, hit that notification bell, do comment in video, so that I can know what I have to improve and how it is resonating with you. For personal readings, do check description box down below. See you soon in next video. Till then, love and light.